If you've been staring at that stubborn belly fat wondering why won't it go away, this video is your wake-up call. In just 14 days with zero equipment, you can reshape your core, boost your confidence, and finally feel lighter, leaner, and stronger. Don't skip because the results won't come if you do. Ready? Let's get to it. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome to the 14-day belly fat challenge, the ultimate at-home workout to help you shred belly fat, tone your core, and boost your energy all in just 2 weeks. If you've tried fad diets, crunches, or random workouts before and felt disappointed, it's not your fault. Most plans are either unrealistic or unsustainable. But this is different. It's designed for real people with real lives who don't have time to spend hours at the gym or count every calorie. You won't need any equipment, gym memberships, or complicated routines. Just 10 powerful bodyweight exercises performed with intention, energy, and consistency that target belly fat, activate your full core, and help melt inches away from your waistline. Here's how it works each day. Follow along with these 10 moves. Do them once for a light workout or twice to ramp up the fat burning. These exercises are selected to raise your heart rate, activate your metabolism, and challenge your abs from every angle. Think of it as your daily 10-minute fat burning ritual. So clear some space, grab a water bottle, and let's take back control of your health starting now. Exercise 1. Standing cross crunches. Standing cross crunches are perfect for warming up and targeting the obliques without needing to lie down. Begin by standing tall, feet hip width apart, and place your hands lightly behind your head. Engage your core as you lift your right knee across your body while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring your left elbow toward your knee. Return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. It's a controlled twist and crunch movement that mimics a traditional crunch but in a standing position. This exercise activates your abs, works your balance, and gently raises your heart rate, making it a great dynamic warm-up. You should feel the crunch through your core as you twist and squeeze your midsection. Perform 20 reps per side for 1 set and repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. Standing cross crunches are especially ideal for beginners or those with back issues since they avoid floor contact and lower spine pressure. You'll be surprised how effectively it fires up the belly area. Keep your movements sharp and deliberate, don't rush. Breathe with each twist and let the burn fuel your progress. It's low impact but high reward. This is your first step towards sculpted, defined abs. Exercise 2. High knees. High knees are a powerhouse cardio move that torches calories and targets lower belly fat fast. Stand with your feet hip width apart and begin running in place while bringing your knees up as high as possible, ideally to waist height. Engage your core, pump your arms, and keep a steady, fast pace. This isn't just a cardio blast, it's a full abdominal engagement. Each time your knee rises, you're tightening your lower abs, increasing your heart rate, and boosting fat burn. In just 30 to 45 seconds per round, high knees can get your heart pounding and your sweat flowing. For best results, perform 3 sets of 30 seconds with 15-second rests in between. Make sure to land softly on the balls of your feet, keeping your spine upright and your chest lifted. Focus on speed but stay in control, don't let form suffer. It's not about jumping wildly but lifting powerfully and intentionally. High knees are perfect for ramping up intensity in a short workout. Combined with the rest of this belly fat burning routine, they turn your living room into a fat shredding zone. Stick with it, you'll feel the difference in days. Exercise 3. Plank to knee tap. This one's a double threat. It strengthens your entire core while improving balance and coordination. Start in a strong forearm plank position, elbows directly under shoulders, core tight, and body in a straight line from head to heels. From there, alternate tapping your right knee to the floor, then your left, keeping your hips stable and your back flat. At first glance, it might seem simple, but this controlled knee tap movement creates deep abdominal activation, especially in the lower belly and transverse abs. Each slow, steady tap forces your core to stabilize and resist sway, giving you strength and sculpting power. Aim for 3 rounds of 20 taps per side. Focus on breathing steadily and maintaining a strong plank form. Don't let your hips sag or pike, stay straight like a board. Plank to knee taps are excellent for beginners and pros alike, offering a low-impact yet super effective way to burn fat and build endurance. Over time, you'll notice your stomach feeling tighter, firmer, and flatter. And the best part? No equipment, no noise, just your body against gravity. This is your silent ab shredder. Own it. Exercise 4. Flutter Kicks. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and your hands placed just under your glutes for support. Lift both legs a few inches off the floor and begin alternating small, rapid up and down kicks, keeping your legs straight and core engaged. Flutter kicks are one of the most effective exercises for attacking stubborn lower belly fat. The continuous tension in your core keeps your muscles activated throughout the movement, making it a powerful fat-burning and sculpting move. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds, rest for 15, and repeat 3 times. times. Keep your lower back pressed firmly into the floor. This protects your spine and maximizes core activation. If your back begins to arch, raise your legs slightly higher. The secret to mastering flutter kicks? Controlled breathing and strict form. Exhale as you kick, inhale as you hold the position. This keeps your core tight and oxygen flowing. You'll feel a serious burn in the lower abs, but that's your belly fat waving goodbye. Pair this with high energy moves like high knees, and you're building a bulletproof ab routine. This one move alone can be the game changer in your 14-day challenge. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a powerful full-body cardio and core movement that lights up your abs, especially the lower belly. Start in a high plank position, wrists under shoulders, body straight. Drive your knees toward your chest one at a time, quickly alternating like you're running in place. To get the most from this move, keep your hips level, no bouncing. Your abs must stay tight the entire time. It's tempting to rush through, but focus on control rather than speed to truly feel your core working. Mountain climbers don't just burn belly fat, they also work your shoulders, arms, legs, and build cardio endurance. Set a timer for 45 seconds. Go as hard as you can. Rest for 15 seconds, then repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. You'll feel the fire building in your core. Keep your gaze slightly forward to maintain a strong spine, and exhale with each knee drive to engage deeper core muscles. This move mimics the intensity of sprinting but targets your abs from every angle. When done regularly, mountain climbers help flatten your belly fast and improve stamina, making them a perfect addition to your 14-day belly fat challenge. Exercise 6. Reverse crunch. The reverse crunch is an underrated but extremely effective lower ab workout. Lay flat on your back with arms at your sides and knees bent. Lift your legs off the ground so your thighs are perpendicular to the floor and your knees bent at 90 degrees. Now engage your core to lift your hips slightly off the floor, bringing your knees toward your chest. Slowly lower your hips back down without letting your feet touch the floor. That's 1 rep. This move specifically targets the lower belly area, which is often the hardest spot to tone. By lifting your hips off the ground, you engage the lower rectus abdominis muscles without putting strain on your neck or back. Do 15 to 20 reps slowly with control. Avoid using momentum. This is all about core engagement. Rest 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. To intensify the burn, hold the crunch at the top for a second before lowering. You'll notice real results with this one in just a few days. Reverse crunches are low impact, require no equipment, and are ideal even if you're just starting your fitness journey. Add them in daily and watch your belly slim down. Exercise 7. Plank hip dips. Plank hip dips are the ultimate combo of strength and sculpting. Begin in a forearm plank position, elbows directly beneath shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. From here, twist your hips side to side, dipping them gently toward the floor without losing your plank form. Engage your obliques as you twist. This rotational movement is what targets the side belly fat and defines your waistline. Make sure you don't sag your lower back. Keep your abs tight, glutes squeezed, and legs straight throughout. Start with 20 dips. Rest 20 seconds, then go for another set. Do 3 rounds total. Breathe steadily and focus on slow, controlled movement, not rushing through. Plank hip dips are effective because they engage the full core, upper, lower, and sides, while also building endurance and stability. You'll feel a deep burn through the waistline, exactly where stubborn fat tends to stick. With consistency, you'll notice your midsection tighten and your posture improve. This move is a game changer if you want a sculpted, lean, and strong-looking waist. Exercise 8. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a belly fat destroyer and waist sculptor. Lie on your back with hands behind your head, knees bent, and feet off the ground. Now lift your shoulder blades off the mat and bring your right elbow to your left knee while straightening your right leg. Then switch sides, left elbow to right knee. Keep alternating in a smooth pedaling motion. The key is to twist from the torso, not just flail your elbows. Go slow and controlled to really fire up the obliques and entire core. Each twist should feel intentional. Exhale as you crunch and inhale as you return to center. Do 30 to 40 reps, rest 20 seconds, repeat for 2 more sets. You'll feel the burn by the end of the first round. Bicycle crunches simulate a twisting motion that works both the upper and lower abs, making them incredibly effective for burning calories and tightening your midsection. If there's one move that defines abs, this is it. When done consistently, this move alone can make a dramatic difference in flattening your belly and creating that toned, athletic look. Exercise 9. Hollow body hold. Hollow body holds are used by gymnasts for a reason. They build unmatched core strength and control. Lie on your back with arms extended overhead and legs straight. Engage your core and lift your shoulders and legs slightly off the ground, forming a shallow banana shape. Your lower back must stay pressed into the floor. If it arches, reset and try again. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, then rest. Do 3 rounds. What makes this exercise unique is how it forces your deep core muscles to work overtime to maintain maintain the hollow shape. You're not moving, but your abs are under constant tension. To modify, bend your knees slightly, or bring arms down by your sides. As you get stronger, extend fully. Hollow body holds improved posture, core endurance, and athletic performance. More importantly, they help flatten the belly by training the transverse abdominis, your deep internal ab muscle that acts like a natural corset. This one will humble you fast. It looks simple but feels intense. Stick with it and your abs will thank you. Exercise 10. Russian twists. Russian twists are the finisher that melts off the side belly fat. Sit on the ground, knees bent, feet either flat or slightly lifted for more challenge. Lean back slightly to engage your core, keeping your spine tall. Clasp your hands together or hold a weight. Now twist your torso from side to side, tapping the floor gently on each side. Each twist engages your obliques and helps trim your waist. Do 20 to 30 twists. Rest 20 seconds. Repeat 2 more times. Focus on rotating through your core, not just moving your arms. The more control you use, the more results you'll see. Keep your feet elevated or hold a water bottle or dumbbell. You'll immediately feel the extra burn. Russian twists are a fan favorite because they tone the abs fast, especially the obliques, and add definition to your midsection. Combined with the previous exercises, they complete a full spectrum belly fat attack. After 14 days of this challenge, your core will feel stronger, tighter, and more defined, and you'll see visible results if you stay consistent. You made it to the end of the 14-day belly fat challenge. Whether you're sweating, smiling, or both, take a second to celebrate yourself. You've just committed to something powerful, something most people never even start. A daily, no excuses commitment to your body and your health, all from the comfort of your own home. Remember, results aren't just about seeing your belly shrink, though that's a bonus. It's about waking up with more energy, walking with more confidence, and proving to yourself that you are capable of change. You don't need a fancy gym. You don't need crash diets. What you need is consistency, belief, and a few square feet of space. If you're feeling motivated, don't stop here. Repeat this challenge for another 14 days or mix and match your favorite moves from this workout and create your own routine. And hey, why not grab a friend or family member and do it together? Progress is even more fun when shared. We've got tons of follow-up challenges coming, so hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and drop a comment below. I completed the challenge, so I can personally cheer you on. Let's build a stronger, healthier, and happier version of you day by day, workout by workout. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and keep moving. You've got this.